A Burmese python was seen attacking and swallowing a reticulated python, marking a rare encounter between these two massive snake species. Scientists believe this could be the first documented case of one preying on the other. In 2020, researchers in India witnessed this unusual event, capturing images of the Burmese python starting to eat the reticulated python from its tail while it was still alive. It took around 2 hours for the Burmese to finish its meal, as noted in a research paper published on August 20th in the journal Reptiles and Amphibians. It was quite surprising to see both pythons in the same spot, said Ashika Raman Shome, a wildlife ecologist at Dhaka University in Bangladesh. When the scientists arrived, the 10-foot-long Burmese python was wrapped around the tail of the slightly larger reticulated python. The reticulated python attempted to fight back by constricting the Burmese, but eventually, it lost its grip and was consumed from the tail up. Interestingly, while reticulated pythons can grow up to 25 feet and Burmese pythons can reach 19 feet, the reticulated python was larger in this instance, though its exact length wasn't measured. According to Shome, this event occurred at the Akiz Wildlife Farm in Bangladesh's Chittagong division, one of the few areas where the habitats of these two species overlap. Both pythons typically hunt similar prey, including mammals, birds, and lizards.